Hi and welcome to Lesson 5 of Order Tags for WooCommerce, Managing Order Tags Hierarchy. In this video, I will show you how to manage parent-child order tags in WooCommerce. Let's get started. From your WordPress dashboard, go to WooCommerce and click on Order Tags. Here you can create and manage parent and child tag relationships. To create a new order tag, go to Add New Order Tag and fill in the details, such as the name and description. Leave the parent order tag field as none. Now click on the Add New Order Tag button now. To create a child tag, go to Add New Order Tag and fill in the details again. This time, select the parent tag from the Parent Tag drop-down menu. Then click on Add New Order Tag. We have successfully created a parent and child order tag. You can also edit an existing tag to set a parent-child relationship. Click on the Edit button. Now, go to Parent Order Tag and select the parent order tag. Scroll down and click on the Update button now. Go to WooCommerce and click on Orders. In the order list, parent-child tags are displayed together. For example, if first order is a parent and free 500 coupons is a child, they will appear as first order 500 coupons. You can also use bulk actions to assign or remove parent-child tags. Select the orders and choose the tag from bulk actions. Now click on the Apply button. That's it. You have learned how to create and manage parent-child order tags. This hierarchy helps you organize and filter orders more effectively. That wraps up our lesson. For more plugin tutorials, subscribe to Sleekr Digital.